Hello friends, welcome to Cardfino. Friends, I have 15 plus credit card, but I cannot carry all these credit card because most of the time I use it for online transaction or UPI transaction. Now, as you guys must be aware that UPI transaction from credit card can be done only on the RuPay credit card. Recently, I have switched from Tata Neu Infinity credit card to Kiwi credit card. Now, what is Kiwi? Kiwi is a financial firm which has partnered with Axis Bank and Yes Bank and launched their virtual RuPay credit card. Now that credit card is lifetime free and it can give from 1% up to 5% of cashback on scan and pay on UPI transactions. Now no other credit card give more than 1.5% or 2%. This credit card can give you up to 5% return on UPI transactions. Guys, in this video I will talk about all these features of this credit card, what are the restrictions, how you can benefit from this credit card, how you can get up to 5% of return on this credit card on UPI transaction, which variant you should take, either Axis Bank or Yes Bank variant. Everything I will talk about. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Without further delay, let's get to it. I'll talk about the Kiwi Neon membership program. So now what is membership program? The first thing you should know is this Kiwi Neon membership program is only available on Yes Bank variant. Now this membership normally costs 999 plus GST per year, but this, if you apply this credit card before 15th of April, then you will get this membership free for first year. Now what is the benefit you can get it? Now if you have this membership, you can get 2% on scan and pay transaction on all QR code scan on all UPI transactions. On online transaction, you will get 0.5% of cashback. And additionally, there are 3 milestones as well. If you achieve 50,000 transaction on this credit card in 1 year, you will get 3% cashback. Now, if you achieve 1 lakh transaction in the entire year, you will get 4%. And if you cross 1.5 lakh of transaction in 1 year, you will get 5% on entire that amount, 1.5 lakh of transaction. And plus you will get 1 lounge access every milestone, like 50,000 you will get 1 lounge access, 1 lakh you will get additional 1, and 1.5 lakh you will get additional 1 lounge access. Now for example, if you can see on screen, if you make an online transaction of 20,000, scan and pay you do it 30,000. For scan and pay you will get 2% cashback. If you have this membership, that means you will get 600 rupees. For online transaction of 20,000 you will get 100 rupees. And if you achieve that milestone, so you should get 3% cashback. Now 50,000 and 3% cashback, you should get 1500. Since 100 and 600 you already got it, that means the remaining 800 will get immediately credited in your Kiwi wallet the moment that you achieve the first milestone. Similarly for the 1 lakh milestone also, and similarly for the 1.5 lakh transaction also. So best part is, it's not like after achieving the milestone you should be eligible for 3% cashback. It will do the prorated on the previous transaction also, which you have already done that. I think that's the best part. Now guys, you must be thinking that this card is lifetime free, but I have to take a Kiwi Neon membership. What if you don't take Neon membership, or even after 1 year of free membership you don't want to continue with the membership? So there are 2 variants you can see on screen. If Axis Bank, you will get on online transaction, you will get 0.5% of cashback. Similarly for Yes Bank variant also, you will get 0.5% of cashback. Now every 50 rupees you will get 1 Kiwi. Now what Kiwi is? Every Kiwi, 1 Kiwi point is equal to 0.25 rupees. So now for online transaction, you can see if you make a transaction of 50 rupees, you will get 1 Kiwi. Even if you do 75, since it's a multiple of 50, you still get 1 Kiwi. But if you complete a 100 rupees transaction, then it will be 2 Kiwis. Now for scan and pay transaction, you can see there are difference between both Axis Bank and Yes Bank. If you have Axis Bank variant, you will get only 1% cashback. But if you have Yes Bank variant, you will get 1.5% of cashback. And if you have Neon membership, as I said, Neon membership you can get only in the Yes Bank variant, not on the Axis Bank. So I'll suggest by default you should get Yes Bank variant. Even if you get Axis Bank variant, if there's an option to choose, I don't remember while applying there was an option to choose it. I got Yes Bank variant only. But if you don't get Yes Bank variant, even after getting it, just call their customer care and ask them to switch to Yes Bank variant, because there are 2 benefits. Even if you don't take the membership, you will get 1.5% on scan and pay, and that would be lifetime free. And if someday you want to take the Kiwi Neon membership also, you can get it only on the Yes Bank variant, not on the Axis Bank variant. So there must be monthly capping also, and that is 1% of your credit limit. So whatever the credit limit, based on the credit score you will get it. I got the 4 lakh limit on this credit card, so based on your CIBIL score you can also get up to. So that would be 1% of your credit limit. That would be the capping of the Kiwi that you can get it. Now similar to all other credit cards, there are exclusion category also. You can see on screen, these categories are fuel, automobile services, tolls, jewelry and watches, insurance, education, government transaction, rent, utility, telecom and cable services, wallet reload and EMI transaction. foreign currency transaction, and retail category exclusion can also be checked from the link, but mostly I have already covered. These category, most of the other card also stop giving any rewards, so as per me this is completely normal. And for this credit card, the benefit that you get it, and mostly for UPI transaction, I don't think any other credit card is giving it, and most importantly is lifetime free. Now I'll talk about the redemption of these kiwis. As I said, you will get the kiwis as in terms of cashback. Every one kiwi is equal to 0.25 rupees, and that kiwi can be transferred to your bank account directly. It's not like that you have to redeem in miles or somewhere else for some products. You will get directly into the, since it's a UPI app, apart from this credit card you can link your bank account also, because many vendors block or don't accept the payment of UPI via credit card. That time you can do it from the bank account as well. If you, whatever the bank account that you have registered, you can directly transfer all your kiwis into that bank account. On that document they have sent that the redemption can be done only on the multiples of 50 kiwis, but what I have done is, I have done it, you can do it even 50 kiwis also, 10 kiwis also. You can see it on screen. I have redeemed as low as the 14 rupees value. I have transferred into my account, and I can see those have been credited to my account also. So there is no limit of the multiple of kiwis that you can redeem it. You can immediately, whatever the kiwis that you got it, you can immediately transfer to your bank account. I think that's the best part. Now there's one more thing. Since I said, many credit card vendors or merchant normally block the UPI transaction on credit card, but that case, even if you do it from your bank account, right, there's an option of surprise rewards also. So the moment that you do a payment, right, within 30 seconds on that screen of that Kiwi app, you will see one elephant or some symbol. If you click on that elephant, you will get the surprise reward, and that can go up to like 4%, 5%, 6%. So even on the UPI transaction from your bank account also, you will get reward from this app. So that's why I have switched from my Tata Neu Infinity credit card that I was using it for last 1 or 2 years. But I had to switch to Kiwi credit card. I'm using it for last 2 months, and I must say that's why I'm making this video. I would recommend this credit card to get it, because this is the lifetime free. Probably in future also, since it's a lifetime free, they cannot ever impose any fees on this credit card. So in future they start taking the fees for this credit card. Better you go for this credit card when it is lifetime free, and Neon membership is up to you that you want to take it or not. And then if you apply this credit card before 15th of April, you will get this membership free also. Probably this offer can get extended also, but you can try it your luck. Guys, if you have any queries, please write me down on comment. I will try to answer all your queries. All the comments in my channel are answered, and there's no comment which is unanswered. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be keep making more no-brainer videos of the credit card. Thank you from Cardfino.